Okay, question number 12. Should I draw the front or the right? Obviously, I'm gonna choose the front. We have a diagonal line, we have a circle, so I'm gonna choose front. And we have less number of contours, so definitely I'm gonna choose the front, which is the easiest one. Okay, I'll make my origin point here. Draw a circle. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a center line down because I'll draw it choosing the mirror. Okay, so the phi here is 20. Then I'm gonna choose solid line, go left and down, vertical, then right a little bit, then upright. Try to not go with the yellow lines, then go right, then escape. Okay, first of all, I have the length of that line is the line, this line, small dimension, this 50. And the dimension between this line and this center line, the dimension would be 20. And also we have this one is 5. Escape. 5. Also we have this line has dimension 10. I have to see the length of that. So the length of that is the same of that, so between here and here the dimension will be 15. Now it's fully defined as we see. Okay, we can make a mirror for the left area. Okay, like this. Mirror about the center line. Check. Then trim the upper side of the circle. I'll continue to draw the right side here. Click here, right, go up, then go left, then go left, escape. Small dimension between this line and this line, the length would be 70. Okay, and we'll make a relation between this point and this point. The relation here are horizontal. And small dimension, we have the length of this line is 10. Now it will be fully defined. Now which one has an extrude of 30 and which one has an extrude of 50? Okay, obviously one of them has to be an extrude of 30, one of them has extrude of 50. Okay, let's see it here to make it easy. So which one has a 50, which one has 30? Okay, now if we want to choose this contour, I would like to see an independent point. Okay, So if we choose this, no, this one is the same thing, this one is this one, this one is the same. So we cannot see any independent point, but we have this point, you see, this point, this quarter of the circle. If we go to the right, we will find a dashed line. So what is the length of this dashed line? 50. So the extrude here will be 50. Okay, very simple and very easy. Okay, the other one would be 30. The other one would be 30. Now, when we make the draw, we made the front. Should I make the extrude of the front mid-plane? So if we draw a center line, is it symmetric? Yes. So we'll make the extrude of these as mid-plane. Okay. We'll make it mid-plane. So I'll make it smaller a little bit. Okay, now feature extrude for this contour, this one and this one. Well, I'll make it mid-plane, and the extrude will be 50. 50, check. For the right contour, this area, the right one, I'll make it 30, and I'll make it mid-plane. Check. Now we have an extrude cut here. We have dashed line, which means either we have an extrude cut in the right area or the left area. Okay. So as we can see that it will be in the right area. So how can I make this extrude cut? Very simple. Go to the front, normal tool, and make a rectangle, very big rectangle, corner rectangle, like this. The most important thing here is the dimension between this edge and this rectangle, that is this line. The length would be 10. Now, should I make these lines fully defined? No. The most important one is what is inside. Okay. Now, what is the extrude cut of this area? If you go from here, you'll find this cut is this cut inside. How? If you go from this point and go on the other side, you will find line. This is the cut, and the cut will be 10 millimeters. So I'll make it feature. Okay, extrude cut, also mid-plane. The cut will be mid-plane, and I'll make it 10 millimeter only. Check. See? Okay. So if we make it dash lines, so there is a cut inside, and from the other side, this is the cut. Okay. And this is the answer of question number 12. We made just the it's impossible to be the cut in the left side. Okay, because it's a big area. Always the cut will be usually with the smallest area, which is in the right side. So what you have to do to draw a circle, rectangle, very big one, but the most important one is the dimension here. Then make the extrude of this cut for 10mm mid plane. Okay, and this is the answer of question number 12.